guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, thanks for stopping by. I'm Julia Rose, and today I'm going to be showing you a little bit of a luxury haul. This lockdown life has gotten me a little click happy, and I have been buying a few bits and bobs off of my wish list. Now, a wish list is a really good way to keep the things that you are really hoping for and dreaming for in line, because I don't get distracted thinking about, oh, maybe this, although wait till you see, I got a little distracted. It's a really good way of seeing kind of the colors and the vibes that you're into that season, because everything's put together and it will help you shop. And it's just a really, really good way of staying focused and making sure that your whole wardrobe tells the same story so that everything matches and goes together. Some of these things are pre-loved, which is a really great way to A, save money, save the planet. I mean, I'm just trying to do my part here. These are a few bits that I've just been buying recently, and I just wanted to put them all together and show you because they are gorgeous, and they're going to be showing up in my haul videos and styling videos that I show you. So I just wanted to introduce you, I guess, to these pieces because I am in love. Although two of them are unboxing now. I've saved them for this video because you just can't recreate your first impressions of something that you love. Can you? No, you can't. Okay, cool. Please subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you back. Let's get started. Okay, first off, because I'm just super, super excited, I really want to unbox them, are some earrings I bought. Now, I've been talking about them for a while now. They give me the jitters every time I see a picture of them. So they came all lovely packaged up, which is amazing and makes it feel like I've just bought them from the Chanel shop. Little box, and oh, comes with all the tissue paper and everything. Oh my gosh, so much. Little pouch. Dun, dun, dun. Oh, I have been lusting after these for so long. Can you see? They're these Chanel gold hoops, and they've got little CCs all the way around, and they're so cool. So I've wanted some gold hoops, but I didn't want just regular plain ones. I wanted some fun ones, and these, they're not even that heavy. I thought they were gonna be way heavier, thank goodness, because I don't want a saggy hole. These are awesome. I'm so happy with those. Aren't they cute? I love them. Great, okay, cool. And those are going to look amazing under my new hat. How cool is this? I love this. So I got one from Zara, a felt fedora. This one is from a company called Lack of Color. It's an Australian company. I saw the first one on my high school friend on Instagram, Stephanie Speaker. She's a stylist in California. She's amazing. And I thought, oh my gosh, that looks like the most incredible hat. But that was like a year ago, and I've kind of been stalking them ever since. Then I tried to recreate the look with a Zara hat, but it turned out that the Zara ones ended up having a bit of a floppy rim, and nobody likes a floppy rim. So I decided to invest in a Lack of Color one because this is a sturdy rim. This isn't going anywhere, and I think it looks so chic, so cool. I love a felt fedora, and these are awesome. I love the light color, the ribbon. Oh my gosh, it's amazing. I thought it might look ridiculously big, but actually it's just quite chic. I really, really love the size. I love the details on the top. This is what it looks like inside. It's just amazing. I guess I could take the tag off now. I got the 57 centimeter, but I do have a big head. And it's just 100% Australian wool. Get off my new hat. Anyways, I'm absolutely obsessed, and I cannot wait to wear that. I'm just gonna wear this around the house. Ooh, my new earrings. Cool. Okay, I won't wear this for the rest of the video, but I love it. Tell me what you think. I really, really like it. I love the colors. Again, it's just gonna go with absolutely everything that I own. Fabulous. I'm in love. Oh my gosh. Right, okay. Accessories, accessories, accessories. Now, we've done hats, earrings. Got a bag coming up, but before the bag, I want to show you some shoes, which may or may not surprise you. Which shoes have I been talking about nonstop? You guessed it. It is the Gucci Princetowns. Now, I haven't opened these yet. I was saving them for you, saving them for this video. Oh God, you know what? The packaging matters. It is feels so good to be opening something absolutely gorgeous and luxurious and lovely. Oh, I guess you get a responsibility card. That's good to know. You get 2 little dust bags here for travel. That's lovely. Do you remember I was talking about these? I tried them on in Selfridges in my shoe haul video, and I fell in love with the ones with the bees and the stars on them. I think they're so cute, and I love the gold accent. In fact, they would look amazing with my hat and my earrings, but whatever. But then I was watching Lorna Lux's Instagram, and she made a really good point that the plain ones are a lot more timeless. They won't go out of style. They will just stay the standard classic for ages. So I did go for the classic plain off-white ones without the stars and the bees. Oh my goodness. What do you guys think? Now, the only problem I have with these white ones with the plain is that I feel like they are quite 80s banker man sandals, like he's at a barbecue and hanging around by the pool. Hold on. Oh my God, they fit perfectly. Nope, I love them. I don't care, call me an 80s man by the pool. I love them. They're kind of like a cream off-white, so they're not too in your face, and they are stunning. I really love them because then not only did I change my mind from the bees and the stars to the plain, but I also thought maybe I would prefer the mud color because they're just a little bit more subtle and they would go with my neutral wardrobe like House on Fire. But actually these are so cute for spring and summer. I love the light color. I cannot wait to style these up with my wardrobe. Oh my God, I love them. Oh, I can't believe I had these. So these are one of those funny shoes. Like I've been umming and ahhing about them for ages, ever since I first saw them, because I don't own any flat shoes. I mean, how ridiculous is that? And I don't like trainers very much. They don't make me feel good. So I was like, Julia, you need some loafers. But I'm not really, I couldn't find any I liked. Then it was these, and I thought, oh, you know what? Those are classically beautiful. I really like them. I love the gold on them, obviously. And you know what? I'm just gonna go for it because they are just so beautiful. So I went and tried them on. They're incredibly comfortable. They really soften up. They go buttery, buttery soft. The one that I tried on in Selfridges, that was the plain one, it was so soft because it was the one that everybody had been trying on. I cannot wait to get this shoe to that point because then they are like slippers. Oh my goodness. I can't believe I have these in my house. So I'm usually a 36.5, but I sized up. These are a 37 because they're just a little bit more comfortable. I hope I don't regret that. But no, they fit like, the length of them fit perfectly. And they are gorgeous. Oh, I'm so happy with that. Okay, talk about my new favorite accessories. Plus my earrings. Oh my gosh. So then, yeah. I'll take this off, it's a bit echoey in here. Oh, these are so comfy already. I'm in love, I'm in love, I'm in love. I'm happy I got the off-white. And I'm happy I didn't get the bees and the stars because they wouldn't go with everything and they will look a little bit dated soon, whereas the plain ones stay classic forever. Top tip from Lorna Lux, thank you very much. That was very helpful. Very helpful advice. Sometimes, you know, you just gotta be more sensible with your purchases. It's hard. The last but not least is what I showed you in an unboxing video recently, and it is my new Chanel bag from Zoops, which I am adoring. I love the beige stripes. I love the shopper style. It's incredibly practical and I'm loving it. But like I promised, I'm gonna show you a hat that may or may not work because I haven't tried it yet. The only problem with this bag is it doesn't have any feet and I really don't want it to get marked and messed up on the bottom. Like I hate not wanting to put a bag down on the floor because that's just really impractical. So what I thought I could do was get some magnets and put one on this side and one on the other side and then put 4 here and just create little feet. It's quite hard, so I was thinking it probably wouldn't damage it, whereas if it was only material and I put some strong magnets, then maybe it would dimple the fabric and it might not be good, but it's actually leather on the inside. So if you know otherwise, please let me know, but let's see if this works. So I ordered some magnets off Amazon. These are actually these are 12 millimeters gold plated therapy magnets, which I didn't even know was a thing. Apparently people put them on their body to help with pains and ailments, and I'm using it for my handbag, so that's fine. It came with a whole bunch of warnings. Oh, there's some on the, oh my God, I can't even pull this off. Oh, goodness. Okay, so maybe if I put one on the inside first and a plastic ring to protect the leather. Let's see if this works, guys. I have no idea. So if I put that in the corner there, and then if I put this one, oh my God, these are so strong. I can't even, oh my, ow. Pinch it. Right, okay. Aha! It worked! It doesn't look like it's gonna damage it at all. So, okay. Oh, what was that? I don't know, the plastic thing came off, so never mind. And then I guess I could just move it into place. Yeah, that works so well. I am a genius. Oh, ow! These are really, really strong magnets. I hope there's no kind of like health problems with this. That works. It does! But I think the plastic's gonna come off. No, that's fine. Oh no, the plastic's definitely gonna fall off. I feel like I'm operating on somebody. If I don't even hear a click when I put the bag down, then obviously it hasn't done anything because the material's still just touching the floor. Ow! Gosh, they really snapped together. Holy cannolis. Hello?
You need to have a bite of this.
Oh my gosh. Are you okay? What is it?
Cheese and tuna toasty. It's so good. So you don't want to try a bit?
I'm filming, darling.
Yeah, oh, it's so good. Love you.
Love you. Save me some.
Huh?
Save me some.
Do you want some later?
Just save me one little bite. It's not gonna happen, is it? Okay, so I've got all 4 feet on. That looks pretty good. Now here's the test. Oh! Yeah! I hear it go down. So I guess if I hear the metal on the floor, that means that it's protecting at least a little bit. I guess that's all I can do. It's not pinching the fabric, so you are welcome. I think I'm good for accessories for a while. I've got a new hat, new bag, new shoes, and new earrings. I'm in love with all of them. They've been on my wish list for ages, and I'm so happy. Honestly, I really, really recommend doing a wish list. If you need any help, please ask me because I love making them, and it's a really good way of seeing which colorways you're into at the minute, what your style is at the minute, because once you get all the stuff on your wish list together, you're like, oh, I'm obsessed with cream right now. I'm obsessed with denim right now. I'm obsessed with beige right now. And it's not maybe until you put everything together that you realize that. And it's just a really good way. So really, I'm saving money. Please subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you back. And check me out on Instagram because I'm always posting stuff on there. And I'll see you soon. I love these shoes. I'm so glad I got the off-white. Maybe I'll keep my eye out for the mud ones. Just kidding.